Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A12s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. And now we have to focus on the selfies category. At the second position we have save selfies as preview option, so this is our mirror effect. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And we have also short info from the device that this can save selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. So of course remember that if you need to use this, you have to change back camera to front one by tapping on this button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.